Hi, this is Jack Brand, and this is going to be a quick video on setting up HT Curve Tracer. You'll see the unit we're using now is a Solar IVE, but this setup is exactly the same for all curve tracers, whether they're IV500s, IB500Ws, 400Ws, etc. So let's get started. Once you power it up, you'll see this screen. This is the screen that's being ready to take a curve test. So we're going to press the escape or get the menu going, and you'll see we have a number of options here. We're going to start with settings. So when we press the enter to get settings, you'll see again there's a number of items that you can check. The first one I want to focus on is this measurement unit. This is really about alpha, beta, and gamma, which are current, voltage, and power settings, and how they change with cell temperature. You can see that for alpha, it can be percentage per degree C. Some places might say degree K, but of course they're the same thing. The other option are sometimes milliamps. So this is how many milliamps does the I short circuit change per degree C change in cell temperature. On your spec sheets, this will be a positive number, so current goes up with cell temperature. Let's get it back to there. Beta, which is the voltage spec. You can see it goes millivolts or percentage. Gamma, which is power, can be watts or percentage. And tolerance depends on whether you're in watts of tolerance or percent. Whenever you set it up to how your panel is spec'd, press save. Okay, so this will say the data is saved. Then we're going to go to the next one, which is the key. If we go down, time and date are pretty obvious. You can get there by yourself. But the remote unit, so that's whether or not you're using the Solar O2 or not. And this efficiency is only for the Solar IV, so we're going to skip it. So in this case, we're saying the remote unit is not being used. That means the irradiance measurement from our 304N is going to go direct to the top. Factory setting is 30. And so you must have, this has to be the same factor that's on the back of your 304N, which is the irradiance sensor. If it's wrong, if it's set to 30 and the real number is like 24 or something, the irradiance measurements are going to be off by 20 or 30%, and that's a big problem. So set this up, to wherever it is on the back of your 304N, save it, and then we'll go back to other things. Thanks.